What's good, everybody? I am your main girl Mel, and I am here to help you through your journey to healthy curls. It's a new year with new resolutions, and this video is going to be for any of you who are new to this channel, new to the curly world, or are still struggling with your own curls that you've been trying to wear but it's just really not working out for you. This video I'm going to be highlighting my best tips, the most important steps you should be taking to be on your curly hair journey. So without further ado, let's get your curls back to it. Step 1. You want to start protecting your hair from traumatizing experiences, especially bedtime. Make it bonnet time and sleep with your hair protected in a satiny, silky hair cap, or you can go with a hair scarf, or at the very least, a pillowcase. But preferably, for me at least, a bonnet. This is my favorite bonnet because it is comfortable and affordable, and I will link it below if you are interested. You should definitely check it out. Now, besides looking really cute, this has many benefits for your hair. It will prevent your hair from causing friction when you are tossing and turning when you're sleeping, which is just going to lead to lack of curl definition, frizz, drying out your curls, and creating some unintentional dreadlocks. So you can avoid all of that in one simple cap. Oh, yes! I love when I rhyme! Now, besides those benefits, this will prevent you from another curly hair culprit, which is washing your hair every day. I hope that you are not doing this for your time and your curl's sake, but if so, because you're stuck in this routine of washing your hair every day, I want to just put a few things into perspective for you. Constant washing and detangling and applying water to your hair every day is stressful to your strands. Your hair is like a sponge, and water is the ultimate hydration, but applying too much water too repeatedly can lead to overhydration, which is going to make your curls too soft. Overly hydrated, they will be lacking shape and bounce, but ultimately, over time, this will actually cause so much stress to your hair and erode at the hair's cuticle, which is holding it all together. This cuticle is going to fall apart and you are going to be left with even drier hair. All from cleansing hair that is simply not dirty after just one day. It's just really not necessary. This is a waste of time, it's a waste of products, and it's a waste of resources. And a major solution to this is a bonnet for bedtime. You'll thank me later, and I know many of my subscribers can attest to that. Speaking of subscribers, you're new here, you've made it this far in the video, you might as well go ahead and subscribe and be in it for the long haul. Post notifications on too, okay? I see you. So that's great. Now that that's done, we are protecting our hair at night and not washing it every day. But when we do wash it, make it worthwhile. Especially if you are feeling like your hair is extra dry and or damaged, my tip for you is to start using strengthening treatments and deep moisture masks. So strengthening treatments, also known as repairing treatments, restructuring treatments, keratin and protein treatments and masks, conditioners, all that, are going to help to repair your strands, strengthen that cuticle, lower the porosity, and ultimately give bounce back to your hair. These will also allow for your hair to retain more moisture for longer because your hair is going to be healthier. It is going to get better. So especially if your hair is very damaged or porous, by using treatments like these, you will be getting the most out of your hair and your treatments when they're also paired with using a deep moisture conditioner and mask. You need both. And for more info on deep conditioners and masks, I have a whole video on that, so I will link that here and below. Make sure you check that out after, as this is something that should be done as often as necessary. Listen to your hairs. Moving on, this next tip is extremely important, and I'm gonna say it louder for the people in the back. This may be the hardest habit in your routine to break, but I encourage you to start wearing your hair naturally curly, even if they're still in the recovery process. letting your curls be without smoothing it by heat styling, but also by not manipulating it into extreme and elaborate styles like tight, sleek, pulled back buns, protective styles like braids, and by doing weaves and wigs. These styles are okay occasionally, but when your curls are damaged and you are repeatedly masking it under styles to make it look good, you are not doing your hairs any good. The best thing to do is to just let your curls go free with a wash and go type of style. Or if you are in a process where you need to kind of retrain your curls, you can also finger coil style your curls, which I have several videos on. I will link below. This will give you really good definition, help to really encourage that curl pattern and make your curls poppin', which will make them last longer and give them the break that they need. Number 4. And speaking of longevity out of your curly style, the styling phase after washing will make or break you. There is many different methods for defining your curls. As I've just mentioned, finger coiling is a great option, or my favorite, using a Denman brush. These methods, when paired with using the right styling products, will guarantee a successful and lasting wash day. So what you'll want to start doing is using the prep, style, finish method when styling your hairs for best results. Now the prep, style, finish method I have a whole video on, which is basically just going to teach you which products to use at what time in the routine and how to use them. Now this method does include using multiple products. Multiple products give multiple benefits for multiple scenarios, and more products when styling results in less styling altogether. So make sure you check out that video. It is absolutely crucial for understanding the products that you have and how to get the best benefits out of them. It's really great. Try it. And number 5, lastly but certainly not least, what you absolutely need to be doing throughout this journey is to stop comparing your journey to other people's that you see on the internet. If there's one thing I know for sure, it's that no two heads are the same. I can't tell you how long your journey will take, but trust the process, enjoy the process, take photos and share them on the internet to hold yourself accountable. And better yet, if this video has helped you, or if any of the videos on my channels have helped you, please tag me in your photos. I love seeing the proof in the pudding. It's wonderful, and I wish you all the best on your new journey or continuing your journey. There's a lot to know, but thanks to YouTube, you can and will understand. Just make sure you are subscribed to this channel especially. Turn on the post notification for updates, and I will see you each and every Texture Tuesday. Peace! It's great. 5 ways to get your curls back. I'm here. Hi. Happy New Year. I'm here. Hi. Is it big enough? 1. This piece of hair is confused. This is my favorite bonnet because it using a Denman brush. I should have the prop. Can you get my Denman brush? It's below my sink. Thank you very much. Thank you.